Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to turn off YouTube video comments. Why would you want to know how to turn off YouTube video comments? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to turn off YouTube video comments. So today I am going to show you how to turn off YouTube video comments. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Turning off YouTube video comments on YouTube is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Here is the interface of YouTube. Click on logo at the top right corner. Now click on YouTube Studio. Now click on settings in bottom left side. Click on community. Now select defaults. Click disable comments and then click on save. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn off YouTube video comments, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.